Today I will show you how to download CapCut software in PC. I hope you will enjoy the video. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First, go to a browser. Now write CapCut for PC in the search bar. Click here. Log in here with your Gmail. Now click here. Now, you can see the software start downloading. After download, install the software. Double-click here. Now follow the steps carefully. Now you can enjoy this video editor. Thanks for watching the video.